Hey friends, if you wish to change network adapter settings in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and then select properties. Okay, now there are many of these packages which you can change. The main one is Internet Protocol version 4. You can change the IP address and the DNS according to your requirements, or you can change other settings like the protocol settings and what do we say, IPv6 addresses and all these settings. So to change any network adapter setting, simply right click on it and select properties, and all the settings are visible, and then you can change them accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.